So here is the new owner. Caught a fan flew off already.
I super glued it, but I think I'm gonna lose it.
Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to a brand new episode from Backyard Boys. If you guys are new to this channel, go ahead and lightly tap the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications and don't forget to smash that like button to show your support. This episode right over here is a little bit different than any episode I have ever done. As you guys have saw that I actually looked at this car here on the Copart auction for someone, and today we have that someone with us. And we're gonna go ahead and see how he rates the bodywork, how he rates the car in general, because the last time he saw the car, the wheel was destroyed and the quarter panel was completely cut off, and he really doesn't know how it looks like. He does have a little sneak peek, but in-depth review, we're gonna go over it right now. Once again, guys, if you have not entered into my $1,000 giveaway, be sure to go down in the description area down below, drop a $5, and you have a chance to win up to $1,000. Before we get into much in-depth on the Golf R, I wanna show my guys M4. So here is the new owner, or the owner of the Golf R. My guy, here's the keys. I appreciate you. And so here's his Golf R, or he's not a Golf R, here's his M4. This car over here is a beast. This is his daily driver, and it's a little loud and it's a little bit too much of a daily driver, and that is the reason he got the Golf R. This thing here is an absolute beast. What is it tuned on? Can you tell us a little bit about the specs?
Yeah, I mean, it's pushing like 600, maybe 550 through the wheels. Stage 2.
What is this, Boomot 3?
Boomot 3.
Boomot 3, custom tune, and he actually gave me a ride along in this thing, and it's scary. We're going like 60 and the wheels just go spinning. It's just a weird feeling of like your rear end being loose. It's pretty skeptical, but yeah, that's the sucker over here. As you guys can tell, it's a little bit lowered on some, what is it lowered on?
Sitting on some H&Rs.
Sitting on some H&R springs, and not so pretty over here, but I guess he has a brand new lip. He says he goes through one lip a week, right? Or 1 week, one lip a month, yeah?
A month.
Yeah, but it's looking pretty. Maybe potentially an M4, M3 on the channel. What do you guys say? Comment down below. Let's go ahead and do a review on the Golf R, and then after that, I'm gonna give him a test spin. He's gonna give me a test spin. He's gonna feel the car, see how it pulls, and just in general, see what's up. What do you say, bro? What do you say? Can you see anything was hit?
That is looking OEM. That looks so good.
Bro, this thing, I don't know, man. Like when I was piecing it together, I was like, dude, it looks so OEM. Just look at the reflection, like.
Look at that mirror.
And just in general, like when I started blocking it, when everything was coming together, I was so excited. I mean, the gap, dude, everything is just perfect. Everything came together. I mean, if you guys have rebuilt cars, or I'm telling you, there is times where you're just piecing together a car and it's just not doing it, you know, like something is stretched, something is like mangled, something is, but with this car, you guys saw the whole entire process, and I hope you guys enjoyed the whole entire process. It came together really nice. What do you think of the paintwork?
I think that looks perfect.
We blend the door over here.
The mirror finish.
I'm pretty sure you saw the videos.
Yeah, I was watching some of the videos.
You better be watching the videos, you know what I'm saying? Went ahead and paint the rear bumper. The trunk lid stayed the same. Everything's looking beautiful. How's the wheel look? Pretty straight?
Looks good to me.
Looks good from your house. The thing is, on this car, it's kind of weird because when you look at it from the rear, it looks like the wheels are towed in. But when you go on the side that's not damaged, it still has the same entire toe-in look. So yeah, I apologize, it is a little bit dark. My guy here is a busy guy, and for him to actually come out here, he lives deep up south, for him to come out here and, you know, dedicate his time for this video, truly appreciate that, my guy David. And then we're actually gonna go ahead and do a couple of spins. Are you excited?
Yeah.
See what this thing has? So I guess I'll give him a spin first. We'll see his reaction, because it kind of catches you by surprise if you don't know how fast the Golf R is. Let's go inside and give him a spin. Yo, but bro, before we rail this thing, let's go fill it up, or what? We gotta go fill it up because these suckers are empty. And I'll tell you guys a little funny story. I was actually racing someone. I forgot on what. I think my M2, and I beat him, right? Yeah, and this guy's like, "Oh, bro, I had a full tank of gas." Anyways, on that note, let's go fill up. All right, so we are now inside the car. I had to drop the windows down because it is extremely dark in here with everything up. The car is tinted, but let's go ahead and put it in race mode. I've said that like in 100 of my videos, man. And then turn the traction control all the way off. We're gonna do one launch, and then, ready? Like when I drove this thing, I was just blown out of my mind. I was like, 2.0? I remember back in my day, you're driving Ladas 2.0. Look at this, one more, ready? Brake boost. No, but let's go ahead and give you a test drive, see how you do. I'm pretty excited, guys. I don't know, it feels weird to like give a car back to a customer and see the reaction, how positive it is. We initially, when we looked at the car, you never knew it was stage 2, right? Yeah, I didn't even know. No one knew until I actually physically went and looked at the car. So, which was, we were planning to play the car till we win it, until we saw this tune, and we're like, heck yeah, we're playing until we win it. Yeah. There's no way. All right, guys, let's switch seats, and I'll show you guys some more. So, we have switched out seats. I am now in the passenger seat, and I apologize if there's any wind noise at all. I do have the camera right here by the window, and for me to get some good footage, I must have the windows down. So, I mean, how are we feeling?
I'm liking it.
You liking it?
For a Golf.
Dude, I mean, it's crazy because we actually like looked over the car and it has some pretty solid technology all in general. Like the car itself is nice. It's not like, it's not plasticky, you know? It doesn't have like that garbage feel. Let's go see a pull. Second gear, little.
Second gear.
That's not even funny, dude. Look at this guy, bro. He's so happy. I would be super happy too, man. This is something for that price. I'm sure you guys saw that price reveal video, and if you guys have not, be sure to check out that price reveal. The price on this car is just insanely cheap. It's just ridiculously cheap, and it's just the best bang for the buck car I've ever actually won for myself or for anyone off the auction. And look at this, we got all the guys just chilling here with the M4, the RS3, and yeah. What do you say, happy camper?
I mean, I like it. It's a really nice car.
Yeah. Here's the thing, guys. He may not seem too excited, but trust me, behind the scenes, he's like, man, Tim, this thing rips. This thing is fast. You know, some people are camera shy. Just cut him some slack. But yeah, man, give it some revs, yo. Chill out, bro. You're not trying to make it overheat, you know? How do you like your new car?
Dude, I ain't gonna lie, that M4 right there,
trash compared to this, huh?
We're getting rid of that thing, you know? Chill out. We're in Mexico, guys.
Yo, take a look at this lineup, boys. Let's go get some grubs with the new owner of the Golf R, or what? Hungry?
Yeah, let's go eat. Guys, so we just got done grubbing and my guy is taking off. You have a safe travel back to South Africa, wherever you're going. Yes,
yeah,
that's exactly.
Stay safe. Any problems, let me know. I'm not gonna call you back. No, just kidding.
Enjoy the car and stay safe.
Yeah, stay safe, man. I think it's fast.
You know, watch out. You know what I mean?
Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna catch some sleep. I'm super tired. Catch you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, well, it's been about 4 days since we delivered the Golf R. Yes, I'm still wearing the same piece of merch. I don't really wear this that often. A lot of guys would be like, hey, why is he wearing the same shirt for 4 days? No. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give David a call, the owner of the Golf R, and kind of follow up with him and see how he likes it. He does not know I'm calling him, so I'm gonna call and put on speaker. Let's go ahead and call him.
Yo, what's up?
Yo, David, how you doing?
Good.
Yeah, I just wanted to call and follow up on the Golf R. How's that thing treating you? The quarter panel haven't fell off yet?
Panel's flying off.
Quarter panel flew off already?
I super glued it, but I think I'm gonna lose it.
Alright, bro. Well, you forgot my address, right? You're not coming back for it. Anyways, no, actually though, how is it treating you? You like the thing?
Yeah. I put like probably like 500 miles on it.
Already?
Yeah.
Alright, sweet. Anyways, you're gonna be on YouTube right now.
You guys are uploading it?
I'm recording you talk right now. Alright, bro.
You serious?
Yeah, take it easy. Anyways, as you guys saw right there, he likes it. He put already like 500 miles in 4 days. It's not bad, dude. He daily drives that sucker. So I'm guessing the M4 sits in the garage. But guys, with all that being said, thank you so much for all the love and support. And if you guys did enjoy this kind of video, please comment down below. Comment anything, your thoughts, you know, anything you have to say. I would really greatly appreciate your feedback. And if you guys want to support the channel, please cop yourself some merch right over here. Smash that like button to show your support for a freeway, absolutely right there. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next episode. We're gonna have a very interesting Copar walk around where we do look at another 2019 Golf R, potentially buy it. Stay tuned for that, and I'll catch you guys later.